Hey guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I'm going to show you how to complete your work if you missed class on 11/12 or 11/13. So that's either Thursday, November 12th or Friday, November 13th. So it says today we're going to learn about kinetic and potential energy. The first thing you're going to do is complete the pre-assessment on STEM scopes. So you need to go to Launchpad and then STEM scopes. So go to your Launchpad. You can go to the Northeast webpage and click on Launchpad. My Launchpad will sign me in automatically. You might need to sign into yours. Once you get to Launchpad, you'll notice up at the top there's a search bar right here, so you can go ahead and type in the word STEM scopes, and actually you only need to write STEM and then it pops up STEM scopes. So make sure you log into here. Once you're logged in, your STEM scopes will look different than mine, but you will have a list of assignments that you need to complete. The assignment that you're going to click on is called Pre-Assessment from 6.A, Potential and Kinetic Energy. You're looking for the pre-assessment. This is just so we can see what you already know. So you'll click on your pre-assessment and it will look like this when you get there. It's only a couple questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, just to see what you already know about potential and kinetic energy. Once you're done with this, it's important that you hit the submit button or the turn it in button. There'll be a green button up around here that says turn in. There's also a save button if you don't finish it. So make sure you either save it or turn it in when you're finished. Once you're done with that, you can exit out. And then the next thing to do is watch the Study Jam video. You can just click on this link right here. Once it loads, you're going to hit play video. It's a green button right here, play video. Watch the whole video. Once you're done with the video, you can take a minute and test yourself. There's 7 questions to see what you took away from the video. After you do your Study Jam, the next thing to do is complete your vocab in your digital notebook. I went ahead and I added video instructions, separate instructions about how to complete your vocab right here. So make sure you click on this video for vocab instructions. But really, you're just going to go up to your digital notebook. And you have the completed vocab here, the vocab instructions here, and then when you open your digital notebook, you will find your vocabulary. The blank vocabulary should be around, I believe, slide 17 or so. So give it a minute to load. And then go down past Unit 1 to Unit 2. Actually, our slide is 14. Your vocab will be on slide 14. And this is what you're going to fill out. Make sure you watch the video instructions in case you're confused about how to do your vocab right here in vocab instructions. If you finish everything early, then I'd like you to go to your test corrections right here, test corrections, and complete your test corrections. There's also a separate instructional video on how to complete your test corrections right here. Make sure you're using this Google Doc to complete your test corrections. If you have any questions about today's assignment, then you can comment or you can email me.